Your Blackmagic footage looks flat and washed out? One simple LUT can completely transform your video color in seconds. Let me show you exactly how to import a LUT in the Blackmagic Camera app.
If you're shooting in log profile and want that cinematic look straight from your phone, this is the fastest way to do it. First, download your LUT file. Make sure it's in .cube format. Save it to your phone storage, preferably inside the Files app so it's easy to access. Now open the Blackmagic Camera app, tap the settings icon, go to the LUT section. Inside the LUT menu, tap Import LUT. Browse your files and select your .cube LUT file. Once imported, you'll see it added to your LUT list. Now simply select the LUT you just imported instantly. Your flat log footage will preview with cinematic color grading. This does not burn the LUT into your footage unless you export it that way. It's mainly for monitoring. That's it. Now your Blackmagic footage looks professional right from the camera. Follow for more real camera tips and mobile filmmaking tutorials.